Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about previous year questions of PGIMER. Which of the following are components of innate immunity? Innate immunity include macrophages, NK cells are the components of innate immunity. Platelets are not at all related to immunity, whereas B and T cells are compounds of acquired immunity. Which of the following occurs due to DNA molecular repair defect? DNA molecular repair defect in this, the diseases which are seen are mainly to xeroderma pigmentosum and ataxia telangiectasia are the diseases involved in DNA molecular repair defect. The disorders involved in DNA repair defect are ataxia telangiectasia, Fanconi's anemia, Bloom syndrome, hereditary non-polyposis cancer, and xeroderma pigmentosa are involved in this DNA molecule repair defect. Then next question, cDNA can be used in gene amplification in bacteria instead of genomic DNA. We can use cDNA in the gene amplification in bacteria instead of genomic DNA because this cDNA is easy to replicate because of its smaller size. So we use cDNA. And also cDNA lacks introns, whereas this is present in genomic DNA. This is also true. Next, complete genome can be easily replicated in bacteria. Okay, complete genome cannot be easily replicated in bacteria. So A, B, D are true. So cDNA is used in gene amplification in bacteria instead of genomic DNA because it is easy to replicate because of its small size. cDNA lacks introns, whereas they are present in genomic DNA. Complete genome cannot be easily replicated in bacteria. Then next question. Function of miRNA. Mi is microRNA. So function of microRNA is used in gene silencing, it is used in translation repression, and it is used in breaking of messenger genes. So gene silencing, so miRNA is used in gene silencing, translation repression, it is used in gene silencing, translation repression, and it is used in breakage of messenger RNA. Thank you for watching.